So someone brought up the use of a scripted paratrooper segment to keep game immersion. Here's how you can achieve that. Here's how you deploy an automated paradrop in Public Zeus. Step 1. Go to Eden Editor and place down a VTOL infantry transport and name it planePara. Then place down 32 paratroopers with the names Para, Para_1, Para_2, ascending until you reach Para_31. Step 2. Go to the video description and copy the use code line, then double click on the VTOL and paste the code into the init box. Part 1 of the code uses the addAction function, which identifies the VTOL using the phrase this. The addAction will be displayed with the words green light. When the action is selected, the code between the curly brackets will be executed. Part 2 of the code uses the removeAction function to remove the green light action. Part 3 of the code establishes an array with the variable names of all of the paratroopers described in step 1. Part 4 of the code uses a for loop which will select a member of an array from part 3 and represent it as ejector. This is done by using the select operator and the current count of the for loop. This ejector is then used in the final part, which forcibly ejects a selected paratrooper from the VTOL. This for loop will repeat the enclosed code 32 times. In summation of the code, when the user deploys the VTOL, they will have access to the green light action. When selected, the action will terminate and a for loop will individually select and eject all 32 paratroopers identified in the array. Since all of the paratroopers have been equipped with steerable parachutes, they will automatically deploy their chutes and safely guide themselves to the ground. Step 3. Ensure all paratroopers have been boarded and select both the paratroopers and the VTOL and save it as a custom composition. Step 4. Go onto an official Bohemia Public Zeus server with either the name EU0A, 0B, 0C or 0D. Go to the compositions and empty subcategory and select the save VTOL and left click anywhere or press Alt and left click. Since the addAction has not been globally executed, you will have to manually fly the VTOL and then activate the addAction. For more on global addActions, we have a tutorial for that. And that's how you deploy an automated paradrop in Public Zeus. Goodbye.